Hello, my name is Ana Lilil Mukaroma from Management Class 1C. I will show a video of the Rebewakasan in the Japanese village Kudus. Here is the video. The community responded to the belief of Japanese villagers about the arrival of various calamities and calamities on the last Wednesday of Safar Month by holding a religious ceremony. Namely, the Rebewakasan tradition at the Japanese village Guardian Mosque. Religious ceremonies are held to ask Allah for safety and protection from all calamities and disasters that may occur. The Rebewakasan tradition is held on Tuesday night or the last Wednesday of the month of Safar. In the Hijriah calendar, the change of day begins at the setting of the sun. The implementation of the Rebewakasan tradition, as has been done for generations, is centered at the Wali Al-Makmur Mosque, Japanese village. The Rebewakasan tradition is held briefly and simply. In its development, a series of activities have emerged that accompany it. Banyu Salamun Kirap. Towards the peak of the Rebewakasan ritual, a procession of a kirap is held around the Japanese village. The procession of the Banyu Salamun parade mountains of produce and is in the form of a miniature Menara Kudus, which is made from traditional food such as pickang, honeycomb, and rengginang. These are food that are characteristic of Japanese village. Various agricultural products are also displayed in the Rebewakasan kirap. In addition, the kirap also features two clay pots as a symbol to accommodate the water of salvation. According to Mastur, the Banyu Salamun kirap is an expression of gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for all the favors that have been given to the Japanese village community. The procession of the kirap was attended by mosque and prayer room administrators, students from a number of madrasas and schools as well as local residents. Each participant displayed a number of local arts and handicraft such as tambourine, handicraft made from bamboo, traditional toys made of coconut husk, and a number of residents were dressed as Sunan Kudus and Aryo Penangsang. Kirap Banyu Salamun passes through several village roads and takes a route around the Japanese village area. The kirap ends at the courtyard of the Wali Mosque and is continued with a prayer ritual led by a local cleric. After the prayer was read, hundreds of residents packed the Wali Al-Makmur Mosque complex, scrambling to get a gunungan made from traditional food. The recitation of the prayer is very important because it is believed that the prayer ritual makes Banyu Salamun more effective. Furthermore, after the prayer is finished, the distribution of the Banyu Salamun was carried out, which was taken from the Sunan Kudus heritage well. Many people in the community try to get it, not only for drinking at that time, but also trying to get as much as possible to supply the Banyu Salamun collection procession. They hope to get safety and protection from all disasters. The Rebewakasan procession at the Wali Mosque ends with holding a public recitation of the whole of the Wali Mosque at midnight. For the people of the Japanese village, the Rebewakasan tradition is not just a cultural tradition, but also part of the diversity of society. Through religious rituals, they hope to gain security and prosperity.